up, everybody? Welcome back to another one. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I am installing my exhaust temperature gauge. This is a glow shift exhaust temperature gauge that goes up to what I think is 2400. So right now, as you can see, I got everything pulled out. I got the line ran. And I'll show you guys later in this video how I did that. But so far right now, I got everything. This is the boost gauge that I installed, and as you can see, the line drops down into that, and the power and ground lines. So on this exhaust temperature gauge, I'm gonna be adding it right beside it in that slot. And pretty much to save myself some time, I'm just gonna tap the power wire that comes with it into the power wires on the boost gauge, which goes into the fuse box. It is on a fuse and it's powered on a set of continuous and power supplies in the fuse box. So when I turn the truck on, or when I turn it in accessory, the gauge lights up and it fully works. So once I tap it into that, the same thing will apply for the exhaust temp gauge. I also had to cut your holes out a little bit wide to fit these, and I also got some gauge cluster, the visors, that's what it is, the visors to go around it. So I got, what, 3 of those. I was gonna add the air gauge in this slot, but like I said in my last video, if I don't get an air ride installed, I might put another type of sensor on it, maybe. All right, I'm back. Got everything done and finished and back mounted. So to show you what it is, bam, that's what it is. I had to move my tablet to right here because it was kind of blocking the exhaust temperature gauge, and I needed to see that. I just moved it down a little bit. Now I can see, actually got the whole dash to myself. Everything hooked up and it's working. You can see that. Basically, like I said, all I did was just took the power and the ground and the constant 12 volt and just tapped it in on this gauge, and it, bam, comes right on. I just ran the sensor wire through the firewall right next to where I ran the for the turbo gauge. So I'm gonna go out and show you guys what I did. So basically what I did over here was just ran that temperature, ran that sensor off of the manifold. I just got it clamped to the manifold. It'll still pick up the temperature and stuff like that. And I ran it up back there, around that side, on that side over there, and I just used some zip ties to zip tie, and then I just brought it around on this side. As you can see, it comes down right there and goes into the firewall right there, and from that point it just goes behind the dash and up to the gauge. Alright everybody, that's pretty much it on this video right here. I got some cleaning to do in the back, so I'm gonna end it right here. Like, subscribe, comment, share the channel, tell other people about it. Do your thing. With that being said, you guys have a good year, and be safe out there.